It's so sick. Jesko. This is a car.
Oh my god.
Definitely want one. It's just pinnacle of engineering. What a beauty. This carbon fiber on the front, it's not PPF'd. Why is it not PPF'd? It's so strong that you can take a diamond drill bit and try and drill into it and it will still not cut. So Koenigsegg tell you not to PPF it because it's just that strong. You know, you will not hurt it. Super cool. Has it got it's got a front, right? Melina, let's see if you can figure out this spaceship.
Wait,
So you need to open the door first.
I am trying.
Right, this is a challenge. Let's see if you can start the car,
Okay.
move it out and move it back in.
Okay.
Right? You're quite, keep in mind, she's quite experienced. She's been starting the McLarens, the Ferraris, the Bugattis, yada yada yada. So let's see.
Can I move the seat?
So you have the key, yeah?
Yeah.
Look on your left. What is that?
Oh, it's a key holder. Okay. Oh, I need to close the door. How do you close the door? Oh, yeah.
Okay, you got the door closed. Right, next up you need to fire it up.
Okay.
Okay, put the window, oh, she figured out the
I
window
know. I
switch.
put it on
Starts up like a motorbike as well. Right, we need a sound check first.
What now? Like, I do not take any liability. I should have told him that before. Finish.
Like, you know what's so cool as well? Look at the engineering behind this. It's crazy engineering. Bonkers. Fuck! Did you hear that traction control? The pop, 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 pop. That's traction control. Insane. Insane. What a car, man.
What a car.
What a car.
Genuinely, what a car.
The pinnacle of engineering.
Francie, do you know where On is?
I don't know.
You didn't see him?
No.
Guys, I've been looking for On for like 2 hours. No answer. That's the thing with On. Sometimes he just disappears. Okay, so while On is MIA, I'm gonna go check on the new warehouse. We actually got the tiles, so I want to see if they started installing them or not. But man, it's hot. Like it's like 50 degrees right now. Let's see the progress. Here we are. On! What are you doing? Why are you dressed like this?
Site visit. Safety first, innit?
Why the name?
So people can address me correctly. Acha, ऊपर आओ तारिक. We have stairs, but we don't have stairs. We have to kind of climb up. Okay, so now that the place is coming to reality, I can show you guys around a little bit. So here, above me, we'll have a big stretch ceiling, and this will be our studio. We'll shoot cars here. We're gonna have a brushed aluminium wall. The tiles arrived as well, actually. These bad boys. The bigger the tile, the harder it is. Style-wise, it will be similar to our existing warehouse. So you'll have this big wall here with our Infinit logo. You'll have 2 bays. We'll have 1 wash bay, 1 PPF bay, and then an office to cut the PPF to size. Upstairs, majority of that area over there will be for storage, and this will be our lounge. So we'll, put a pool table there, maybe a bar. The new GTA is coming out, we'll probably set up a projector and PlayStation. But yeah, up along this wall, we'll just store cars. So we have space for around 6 spots. Got electrical going in on that wall as well, so we can keep those cars on charge whilst they're in storage. And that's more or less it. So for now, this is where we're at. This is how far we got in 1.5 months.
The best part of this whole thing right now are the shoes.
The Crocs. I built our first warehouse in this.
With those ones?
Yeah, Old Faithfuls. Later on, I will put them into turbo mode. Flick them back. If you're doing a project in Dubai in summer, I recommend doing the site visits in the morning and get it out of the way, because by the evening you come in and you're just dripping of sweat. I'm still dripping of sweat. अच्छा तारिक ऊपर आओ. ये बस इतने ही लगे हैं. ये खत्म नहीं हुई ये दीवार.
कल खत्म हो जाएगी इंशाल्लाह.
सीधी है ना दीवार?
हाँ सीधी. अभी
श्योर.
एक कोट हो रहेगा तो सीधी हो जाएगी.
लेजर के साथ चेक किया.
देखो ना थोड़ा इसमें मजून.
लेजर के साथ चेक करके सीधा करना है. जिप्सम इसके ऊपर कब लगेगा? स्लो है प्रोग्रेस ये तारिक. ये खत्म हो गया ये वाली दीवार. तो टाइल कब शुरू करनी है?
पहले भी ये कल जिप्सम बोर्ड मरवा करना.
चलो जिप्सम शुरू करो और टाइल भी रेडी है.
Mission accomplished. Boss has been found. Tiga. Got in 2765 LTs for pre-purchase inspection. We've got this beautiful chicane gray and this Lotus blue. So both cars come with something pretty special. This one comes with a roll cage, which is an add-on that increases the value of the car. This one is also a pretty clean car. It only has 1000 km on it. So yeah. guys, welcome back. Dark Matter, our dedicated half-mile race car, is getting an upgrade today. This is a McLaren Senna manifold. It has longer runners. This means that more air can enter the engine due to improved cylinder fills. Also, the airflow is distributed equally. Also, we all know that more air, more fuel equals more power. And it's carbon fiber, so it won't heat soak.
Everything looks so ghetto right now because it's in R&D mode. We'll make it nicer later. But Senna manifold in, upgraded fuel rails in. With these two combined, we should now be able to turn it up on methanol. So this, underground racing, I like my music loud, and Infinit performance. It's our technician.
I have a surprise in the reception.
What is it?
I have a surprise.
It's a insect or animal or something? No, it's a rat. No, it's just a lizard. Yeah. Don't bite me, bro. Let's see. But bro,
Oh no, he's gonna get stuck.
Hurry, bro. No. Oh.
Hey guys, this is our new dyno test employee.
Can we dino it?